Hello students, welcome to JCE Connect. Now today let us see the interfacing part, the part B, where interfacing. So for this one you have 8089C5 ED2 single chip microcontroller board. This is the board where on this you have an IC. We are going to dump the program on this one, and you have an cable. This cable is connected to communication port of the CPU, and you have here this is the IC you have. And you have a reset button here, and here this is the power supply, 5 volts power supply. This power supply is required for this NIF card, and this is the NIF card of a stepper motor. For like this you have a NIF card for all the other programs whichever you do in the lab. Then here this is a flat ribbon cable which is connected between the board and the NIF card. Now let us see the come to the software part. How the whatever the program you here, this is the Keel software, and this is the Atmail Flip, where this is for writing the program, and for the whatever the program you write, it will be in ASM, where program whatever you write in ASM cannot be dumped onto the IC. Therefore you use the interfacing program where this Atmail software will convert this ASM program into hex file. So let us see how does step by step how we'll do. Let us open the program. Let us open this. Now go to the program. Here just we'll add a new program. Just add the file here. Already have written the program. Just I'll add the same ASM file. So stepper motor, add. And these are the common steps for all the programs. This is the program of the file. Now just we have to do some settings of this one in order to create an hex file. Go to the project, then options for target. Go to the project, then options for target. In that you have to just check the frequency. In additional to that, go to the output. In part A you are not doing all these things, but in part B we have to do all these things, where you can select the folder where you want to save this your hex file. You can select your own folder. Then this is the name with which the hex file will be saved. Also you have to check this one, create hex file, then say OK. Then run the program, build the target, rebuild the target, build all. So if you can see here, creating hex file from step_clock. So now hex file is created to the selected folder where we have selected. Now let us dump that program hex file onto the mail. Double click on this one. So here first you have to go to this pin IC, select device. So which device you have? 8089 ED C5 and ED2. Say OK. Then go to the cable connection. RS, you are using RS232. Yeah, you have to select the baud rate as 9600. Then say connect. Yeah, if you have a timeout, then just reset the kit. Again, just select connect. So now it is connect. You can see all the here are enabled. Then you have to select the hex file. So this is the hex file we have saved, step_clock.hex. Say open. So now we are going to erase whatever the program is there on the already IC and check whether it is blank or no. Then program and verify. So for this you have to say run. So it is erased, blank is checked, program and also verified. Now this start application will be enabled. So you have to say start application, and for this is the common step for all the programs you do of the part B. Then say start application. Once you start the application, your program will be run and you can see the output on your kit.